Now this is a cocktail of rinseless wash and a meguiars wash plus. So we're going to prime this. I use it as a clay loop. So now we're going to finish off the windows using some distilled water. No streak on the top. Clear windows might be dirty from the inside, but now that's perfect. Now we're going to wax the car with a Japanese wax. Works really well, really easy to apply. It doesn't say to buff it off, so I just work it in. If there are high spots, you can just buff them out. You can see all the swirls. Let's see how well it covers them up. I'm just gonna give this a buff. Well, it definitely improved the swirls. The interior of this car is sick, guys. As you can see, we don't have a steering wheel now. That's why we couldn't move the wheel, but that's okay. It's only you know, a really quick kind of, we just want to brighten up the car a little. What I'm gonna do here, just gonna vacuum the car and do a little wipe down, remove some dust, and that's about it really. And I'm gonna show you the finishing results. So guys, I've touched up the interior a little bit, did a little vacuum, a little wipe down, just a little wipe down. Done the windows from the inside, and literally just removed the dust from the upper sides. It's a very cool car, so old school. All this is probably all stock, some modification been made. There's no fabric interior, just the interior has been stripped down. And but it's very, very cool. I really like these Japanese touch-ups on the car. All these gauge clusters, probably aftermarket, but the car looks very cool. It smells very old too, but Very nice. Interior is probably, well, it is aftermarket, but it's very cool inside here. Very old car. It's how old is it? Like, if you think about it, it's 38 years old, but very cool, nearly 40 years old. Has a gauge inside, cage. Very cool, love it. Love cars like these. It was nice to detail it today. Done a little bit door jamb wipe down here to make it look a bit more presentable.